Hello and welcome to the OGS Free Rounds Quick Start video part 1. In this video, we will see how to set up new promotional campaigns via OGS back office and assign them to your players. Before we begin, ensure you have OGS back office access so that you can follow me through. Alright, let's start with creating new free round campaigns. Free rounds campaign can be set up in 3 easy steps. 1. Entering campaign details. 2. Selecting games for promotions. And 3. Configuring the offer for the campaign. Let's go through them one by one. To begin, log into Back Office and navigate to the Free Rounds tab and click on the Create Campaign button you see on the screen. In the first step, we will enter the campaign details. Give an identifier or name for the campaign you wish to create. Each field is supplemented with tooltips to guide during the process. Follow the campaign name with a description for the new campaign being created. Select start and end date through which the campaign will remain active. Outside of this date range, the campaign cannot be assigned to players. Follow it by validity date for the promotion. This will be the time given to the player to finish playing assigned FR 2.0 promotion. It can be set in relative terms like 7 days from the day player starts to use promotion, or it can be a hard date. You can choose the dates in different time zone as well by selecting from the time zone drop down in back office. Optional message is something you may want to use for showing terms and conditions for the players, or any text or link that you think needs to be shown to player along with the free rounds message. This is an optional field and can be used on need. This completes our first step. In step 2, we will select the games we want to add to the campaign being created. All games on OGS that are free rounds enabled and configured with correct stake levels will be available in the selection pane to choose from. Select the checkbox beside each of the games and move it to the right pane by clicking on the Add Selected button. This will add the games to the campaign. You can remove selected games by moving them back to the available games list by using the Remove Selected button. Now that we are ready with the list of games for FR campaign, let's see the next step. The last step in creating a campaign is configuring the campaign value and stake options. In this step, you can enter the campaign value and using one of the available currency shown in the currency selection box. Selecting the Use Later option allows player to make a choice to play the promotional game plays later when prompted during a game session. Based on campaign value, stake level and spin count choice for each of the selected game is shown, and up to 4 stake choices can be made for the player to pick from. Saving this configuration will complete the campaign creation process. OGS Back Office also allows a small preview of how these choices will be shown to player during a game session. Once the campaign is created, we are all set to assign them to player accounts for game promotions or for player engagement. Let's see how to do that. Immediately on creating a campaign, you will be taken to the Manage Campaign page. There are 2 ways to assign promotions to players. 1. You can manually enter the player account IDs and click on the Add Customers button. This option is usually used when there are only limited few players to add to the campaign. Second option is the bulk upload, typically used when the volume of players to be assigned to the campaign is more. Here you can upload a CSV file with the account IDs listed in one column by clicking on the Upload button. Template for the CSV can be readily downloaded for use from back office. Added players can also be removed from the campaign if need be by making use of the Remove button. This completes the campaign assignment module. Let us also see how the assigned promotion is shown to the player on a game launch, to understand players' experience of FR 2.0. On launching a game that is part of the Player's assigned promotion, player sees the set stake level and spin count choices to choose from. The stake values displayed will be in player's local currency. Also notice the Use Later option available to the player. Once player starts playing with the promotional FR 2.0, spins remaining and winnings from free rounds will be displayed on the game screen for the player. Expiry time is explicitly made available for the player to see. If the promotional rounds are not completed before the expiry, the free round winnings will be forfeited. On completing the promotional gameplays assigned, the promotion status will be marked completed for the player. Winnings from free rounds are credited to the player's wallet only after all the promotional rounds are completed. On completing the promotional free rounds, Game Screen will display the summary of the free round promotion. The summary will show total winnings in players' local currency, the total winning in players' currency, and the status of the promotion will be available in FR 2.0 back office reports. The information can also be seen from campaign management page in back office. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. This completes first part of OGS FR 2.0 tutorial. We will go through free round reports in details in part 2 of free round tutorial video from Light & Wonder.